How to turn on Ringer on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to ensure your iPhone rings when you get a call so that it's no longer silent. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that our iPhone is not on silent mode. And on newer iPhones, the way you do that is there'll be a button over here above the volume buttons. And you just want to hold that down. And as you can see, if I hold it down, it'll turn it on ring mode. But if I hold it down again, it'll turn it on silent mode. So you just want to make sure that's on ring mode. On older iPhones, it's a switch in the same position. So you just want to switch it up until you see silent mode off, and that will enable ring mode. The next thing we can do is swipe down from the top right, and in the control menu, you just want to see where mine says filming, select into that. And if it says do not disturb, just make sure that you turn off do not disturb so that it's not selected, and that will ensure that your phone actually rings. Now, once you've done that, the last thing we can do is open up the settings on our iPhone, and in the settings, just scroll down until we get to the third section down where it says sound and haptics. Select that. And you first want to make sure that silent mode is not enabled, so it should be grayed out. And then go to ringtone and alerts and just make sure that this is turned up to a volume where you'll be able to hear it. Once you've done that, your iPhone ringer is turned on. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.